Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you something crazy. I made a full cinematic Western short film using only AI tools. No actors, no cameras, no crew. Just me and a bunch of insane tech. And yeah, it looks legit. To keep one consistent character across all scenes, I used the subject reference mode in Hailuo AI. This was key to making the cowboy feel like a real, recurring character. From saloon shootouts to dusty standoffs, the vibe is pure classic Western. Editing this Western was done in CapCut Pro, soundtrack generated in Suno, sound effects via Elevenlabs, lip sync with Hedra, and final polish using Topaz Labs Starlight. I pushed every tool to the edge. Watch till the end and judge for yourself. Here's the final video. Camera, action, let's roll.
Destinies, rising trails unfold. I ride my steed so fierce, so bold. The sun beats down the amber sea. This open world belongs to me.
Better mind your step, partner.
Ain't no more running, partner. Do you feel lucky, punk?
Draw and find out.
Saddle dreams, the rhythm flows. I chase horizons.